Guys, today we got a nice little Intel with AMD graphics build. We always love switching it up. A build that was supposed to have a better power supply, but we kind of ran out of power supplies. So got a little bit less wattage, but honestly, this will be a fairly power efficient build. So yeah, guys, we got a nice Height Y40 build. We got the 13400F with the RX 7700 XT. Very nice little kind of, I'd call it a high-end build. Mid-range high-end, depending on who you are. You'll definitely be able to play games like Starfield, Cyberpunk, new GTA whenever it comes out, probably close to max settings. This one does have a couple of aesthetic upgrades. We got the V-True V240 liquid cooler. We got V-True fans that we got to put in, so it'll probably take us close to the full hour, I imagine.
Do you think I should wait till Black Friday to buy a gaming laptop? I will say gaming laptops, you might save some money, but a lot of retailers like Best Buy and Newegg and stuff, they're already throwing out Black Friday sales.
Yeah.
So I'd just start looking now. I would look now up until Black Friday.
I know what you're trying to spend, but PC Bros, we got
We said
three.
$1,000 is what he's looking to spend.
And we have one that's close to 1,000.
I think we do, yes. We have some pretty good deals at
check
PC
out
Bros
check
right
out
now.
PC Bros before you buy one. We got some good deals. Can we see your 280Z? I don't think you can right now, but if you go to Toasty DIY,
there's content.
you could definitely see some.
Lots of content on the 280Z.
And now 350Z.
What's your all-time favorite case to build in? Yes, I had two 120 fans and the one I sold to you all. Oh yeah, you're the one who sold us the John's Bow. But all-time favorite case to build in.
You sold it once, we've sold it twice.
Sold it twice.
Double and give it to the next person.
I got another one that's gonna be ready to go. They already brought it in there, so.
Yeah, since we ended up doing that Ares game.
Yeah, that whole build was weird. We had a power supply go bad, which I need to send that back.
It didn't even go bad, it just
arrived dead.
was bad.
It would not turn on. Like even jumped, it wouldn't turn on. So I was like, well, this thing's a brick.
What's up, it's Agent. Thank you for the sub.
Thank you.
Getting us one step closer to Taco Bell.
One step closer to our Taco Bell, thank you. How old were y'all when you met? Well, Jackson and I have known each other since like elementary school, but I would say like when we were in middle school, like 6th grade and on is when we started doing like YouTube stuff together.
So I've been like 12 years old probably.
Yeah, about 12.
We were little squeakies.
Little squeakies playing Minecraft. Yeah, that was like beta alpha Minecraft.
Beta alpha.
Beta alpha. That was when Minecraft was just on PC, and when you mentioned Minecraft, not every kid was like, oh, Minecraft, because they played it on the Xbox, you know? They didn't know what Minecraft was back then.
When Minecraft came out on the Xbox, I remember it was so like just generic. It
so,
felt like it was like the first edition of Minecraft.
It reminded me of like that weird version of Minecraft they include on Raspberry Pis that has like absolutely nothing on it that you can do. I'm sorry if you answered this, but why is there a count on the website? I don't know. Why is there?
I mean, just
do some math.
Do the math.
Do the math. What day does it end on? Black Friday. Oh my gosh, someone figured it out. I think I'll just wait for Black Friday on your site and buy from there. Sounds like a plan. Our Black Friday sales, if you're wanting to know, if you're looking at our higher end professional streamer, it will be $100 off. We're gonna be doing free shipping on all our computers. So like our one-off customs, normally you do have to pay for shipping, which will save you like a good 40, 50 bucks sometimes. So you'll get that, and then if you spend $500 or more, you get a free t-shirt. And all our merch in general is 50% off. So you can buy that extended deathmatch you've been looking for, get some merch, like a t-shirt, a hoodie.
That'll go from basically like really early Friday morning all the way until Monday, like midnight.
And spoiler, if you guys, they won't sell out, but if you guys want to get in early, I do believe we're going to have to lower the price of the professional streamer like maybe a couple hours before actually Black Friday, because we actually have to physically lower the price for it to work. So I think it's gonna be done like late at night on Thursday. So you might be able to sneak in early if you want it. If I bring in the P520, can you help me with Windows and how much would it cost? Yes, we can do that. We can install Windows.
As far as cost, I don't really know
what do we charge right now for?
It's usually, I mean, it depends on like what all you need. If you literally
you want the install activation and
if you bring it in and it works well, like we don't have to do any like weird troubleshooting, and it only takes us like, you know, half an hour to an hour. We usually install Windows, we do drivers for you, make sure like all the updates are good. That'll usually be anywhere from like 50 to 75 with activation.
Yeah.
And it's your choice of Windows 11 or 13.
13.
Dude, you see what I'm back, homie said?
Wait, do you guys know any girls which looking to get married?
You looking for a marriage?
Are you looking?
Arranged or unarranged? Because we can arrange it for you.
I mean, are we asking because you're going to be like an aspiring actor and you're trying to see what kind of lady you want to
Oh, he's trying to like settle early.
He's trying to settle down and be like, listen, I'm gonna be a big deal.
He's not like those other dogs out there. He's looking for a lady now.
Homies is a whole troll. No, he's not. This is a real, I'm just kidding. Like, I'm back, homies is the real deal. Like, you'll understand.
He's it. He's him. He's Jose Loyal. We hold up the thingy.
Oh, yes, the team.
The ting.
Just watch my latest blog for his face reveal, or I will send his face to Zach. I like the second option.
Yeah, just send it to Zach.
Just send it to
if you
Zach,
don't mind.
please. Thanks.
Thank you, man. Yeah, Zach can probably, he might have some ideas in mind, like some women. So just send it to him.
Zach knows a lot of women.
He's what they call a ladies' man.
A ladies' man. I was thinking that I could custom pay people's GPUs, castings for money if they want a custom casing for a PC theme. I think that'd be cool if you want to do it as like a hobby, but I would start off with just a really cheap broken GPU for practice.
Cheaper the better.
Cheaper the better.
You might even be able to find lots like of broken GPUs so you can practice like multiple.
Does anyone know if the Xbox or PS5 supports 1000 polling rates, mouse or keyboard? I don't think so. Honestly, every time we've tested mouse and keyboard on the Xbox Series S, it feels weird.
It feels like you're still on a controller.
Yeah. Oh, what was that?
I don't know. Guess we'll find out in a little bit. What's your dream car? Probably like a 2008 Ford Focus.
Ford Focus?
Not an ST though, just like the SE, like the base model. Crank windows, you know?
Yep.
Dream
That's
car.
what we need. Mine's a 95 Jeep Cherokee.
He's living it.
Living it.
Is Cybertruck a truck or a car pretending to look like a truck? You know, I mean, I would argue that it's a truck. I mean, it definitely, if you look at like the size and then the capabilities of it, definitely a truck. It's one of those things where Tesla being Tesla, they couldn't just make it look like a truck.
No.
Like, I think the Ford Lightning is a really nice looking truck. Like we met,
Yeah, Brett.
well, we know Brett, but yeah, we got to meet his truck last time we were in
We met his truck.
Canada. And you know, it's a really good looking truck. Like, it looks like a pretty standard truck, but like a little bit newer features to it. And then Tesla over here is like, we're gonna make something that looks like it should be on Mars.
Yep.
Dream car is a 95 Geo Metro, the legendary 3-cylinder, 45 mile per gallon with a top speed of 85. That's everything you need. Dude, look what I'm back home, he said. He has the absolute joke.
How would you hide trip these nuts?
You get a picture
Oh
of
my
that. I'm sending that to Zach.
Anything else you got to plug up? Is there a USB-C?
Every single person needs a Supra, so that everyone can say, is that a Supra? I still have a few things too. I was kind of slacking. Like, we got front panel.
Aha.
And we got
Single die
USB
connector.
SED. I'm assuming that's by the C, or by the 3, I mean.
Yeah.
Does this have like double 3? Like
does
an
have
angled
double
or
3.
straight?
It
Oh,
does.
nice.
It's built for the future.
It's built Ram tough. Just curious, do you guys think the Samsung SSDs are worth buying, the 2 terabyte ones? I know those are a really good deal right now. Normally the like 980 Evo, like Gen 4 ones were a lot more, and I never really, it's one of those things like Samsung, they kind of take, people say they're the best. I never really noticed a major difference in like reliability or performance, so I usually stayed away from them unless it was a customer that wanted to really, like, they're like, oh, I want the best of the best, and I'd be like, okay, 980 Evo.
Any good laptop or PC deals this year? Check out PCBros.tech.
PCBros.tech.
I just want to have a conversation with you. I feel like every time we like say something, you just don't acknowledge it. What was that?
Did it just like, oh, I wonder if there's a screw like in a,
Maybe.
you remember how we dropped a screw?
Oh, yeah.
I almost wonder if it's like in the bottom fan, it's just sitting in there right now. Let me turn it off and try that.
I want to go with a white and red theme. His graphics card is very red.
I'm scared.
Oh.
This was the one where when I was looking at the pins, like it looked a little sketch.
Imagine the PC just explodes right now. Do you want us to die on Back Homies? Like, I'm like convinced you don't actually like us. Like, you're just here to see us fail. Everyone's saying drink beer, save water now. Look what you've done.
Matt and I were talking about that the other day where we were like, it's kind of crazy that, oh guys, we're sending you off on a raid. See you all tomorrow for the Friday stream. Peace out.